A professional-grade FLIR thermal camera costs thousands of dollars. The Thermal Master Thor002 costs under $400. And after testing from TechRadar, New Atlas, Structure Tech, and Igor's Lab, reviewers agree it closes that gap more than it has any right to. You get a 256 by 192 vanadium oxide sensor, software enhanced to 512 by 384 through X-Cube Super Resolution, a -4 to 1022 degree Fahrenheit detection range, 5 vision modes, IR fuse image blending, a 5000 milliamp hour battery, Wi-Fi, and a pistol grip body with a 1/4-inch tripod thread. The honest catch? That 512 resolution is digitally upscaled. The 2 megapixel visual camera is weak, and the companion app takes patience to set up. Here is the full Cine Tech breakdown. What can handle? Thermal detection quality earns 8.6. The 256 by 192 Vox sensor with sub 40 millikelvin sensitivity resolves subtle heat differences that cheaper sensors miss entirely. Temperature range scores 9.1. As -4 to over 1000 degrees Fahrenheit covers electrical panels, HVAC systems, mechanical equipment, and even industrial applications far beyond what most rivals at this price reach. Visual camera quality earns 4.2. Reviewers at TechRadar and New Atlas both flagged it as genuinely poor, with soft output, poor contrast, and graininess that undermine the IR fuse blending feature. Portability and build scores 7.8. With a solid alloy-based pistol grip, IP54 splash protection, and a sturdy carry case that impressed every reviewer who opened the box. Daily performance. Thermal image clarity earns 8.4. The X-Cubed upscaling produces noticeably crisper edges and more readable heat maps than the raw sensor alone delivers, and reviewers consistently called it competitive with cameras costing 2 to 3 times more. Battery life scores 8.9. The 5000 milliamp hour cell runs for multiple hours of continuous scanning, with one reviewer describing it as an all-day device without anxiety. Display quality earns 7.6, as the 3.5-inch 640 by 480 IPS screen is large and readable with a built-in LED work light for dark environments. App and connectivity scores 5.1. Wi-Fi image casting works once configured, but both the mobile and PC apps require manual setup steps and lack the polish of dedicated professional thermal software. User experience. Ease of field use earns 8.2. The pistol grip trigger for photos, one-handed operation, and large display make this genuinely fast to deploy on a job site without reading a manual. Measurement tools and mode scores 8.0, covering 5 vision modes, 4x digital zoom, spot and area temperature measurement, alarm thresholds, and time-lapse capture via the 1/4-inch tripod mount. Value versus professional alternatives earns 9.2. Independent reviewers at Structure Tech placed it near the FLIR E6 XT in thermal sensitivity while undercutting its price by roughly 5 times. Resolution transparency scores 5.6 because the marketed 512 by 384 figure is upscaled from a true 256 by 192 sensor. Useful context for any buyer comparing raw specs. Is it worth it? Professional field value earns 8.8. HVAC technicians, electricians, home inspectors, and facilities maintenance teams get a capable standalone thermal tool without the overhead of a 4-figure FLIR purchase. DIY and prosumer value scores 9.0 because property owners, energy auditors, and serious DIYers get access to detection capability that simply did not exist at this price class before. Spec accuracy scores 5.4, acknowledging the gap between marketed super resolution and native sensor output, a real consideration for buyers comparing datasheets. Overall, the Cine Tech score for the Thermal Master Thor002 is 8.1 out of 10, 4.1 stars. A genuinely capable thermal camera at a third of the price. Just go in knowing exactly what the specs mean. Our final chart is it worth it? Delivering the Cine Tech verdict on 4 value pillars before the overall score. thermal camera value earns 9.1 because a standalone FLIR thermal camera with comparable specifications retails for several $100s more than this phone alone, making the Rock 3 one of the most cost-efficient ways a field professional can add thermal imaging to their daily toolkit. Rugged durability value scores 8.6, as dual IP certification and military standard 810H testing at this price tier is exceptional and sets the Rock 3 above most budget rugged alternatives that carry only one certification standard. Field professional utility scores 8.2 because the full inspection workflow, thermal scan, 108 megapixel documentation photo, GPS stamp, and PDF report is executable on a single device without any subscription, dongle, or additional hardware. Connectivity and long-term value scores 4.8, landing in amber, because 4G only in 2025 is a meaningful limitation for field professionals who work in areas where 5G speeds would accelerate file uploads, remote video calls, and cloud sync. And Blackview's inconsistent software update history raises questions about how long this device stays current. The CineTech overall score for the Blackview Rock 3 is 7.6 out of 10, 3.8 stars. A purpose-built field tool that delivers exceptional thermal and rugged value, held back by 4G only connectivity and an after-sales support record that demands caution.